You can create your personal application plan by clicking in the menu bar on Programs and then Create New Application Plan. First, please decide on one or more topics that need optimization by marking the fields. In our case, we choose support for skin and confirm with Next. In the next step, you should specify your topic by selecting the corresponding entries for skin, in our case, skin elasticity, and confirm with Next. You will then see an overview of your selected topics, to which you can also add more items by clicking on Add Topics. You can deselect individual topics by tapping on the check mark or mark them as favorites by tapping on the star. If you click on Continue, your program recommendations will be prepared. Please confirm again with Continue. Here you can see all the Healy frequency programs that have been prepared to support your bioenergetic balance for your chosen topics. If you select one of them, it can either be deactivated by clicking on Disabled Program Slot and confirm, or replaced by touching another one from the list below with the less high priority frequency programs and then confirm. Inactive program slots can alternatively be refilled by tapping on them again. The different colors of the two arrows indicate whether you have already changed the program or whether it is an original result. You then create your application plan by tapping on Create Application Plan. In the Schedule menu, you can choose the time for all weekdays on which you want to run a Healy frequency program: morning, afternoon, or evening. If you have activated reminders, you will be reminded of running your Healy program at the appropriate time of the day by the push message function of your smartphone. If you have selected more than 7 times of day for frequency programs in a week, you will receive a notification that our quantitative program usage recommendation for new Healy users has been exceeded. As an experienced Healy user, you can of course also run more than 7 weekly programs. For optimal electrical conductivity in your body, please make sure that you drink plenty of clean water. After creating your application plan, you will see your weekly schedule with the corresponding programs. You can start the next scheduled and the following programs directly with the play symbol. The HealAdvisor app then closes and the Healy app opens the corresponding program. Alternatively, you can also view detailed explanations and the total duration of the individual programs by tapping on their respective name. You can also add the corresponding program to your program pool of favorites with the button below and manually start it at a later time. You can edit your application plan at any time by clicking the menu icon in the upper right corner. You can also configure the reminder function with which your smartphone notifies you when you should start your Healy program. You can also configure the reminder function of the logbook to record your overall well-being. You can change the application times here afterwards and the selection of active programs or topics here. Alternatively, you can also create a completely new application plan here.